Hello friends, today's question is construct a frequency table for the following data and the two parts are given and we need to write its frequency table. So let's start solution. Now it is a frequency table. Now we can start with the part 1. Now the data is 5 whose frequency is 4 and telemarks can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second is 6 whose frequency is 4 and the telemarks is next is 7, frequency is 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 8 whose frequency is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next is 9, frequency is 3, that is 1, 2, 3. Now the next data is 10 whose frequency is 3 and telemarks is 1, 2, 3. Now the second part is in which the data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whose frequencies are 3, 5, 2, 4, 4. Now the telemarks is 1, 2, 3. Of the data 2, the telemarks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and again it's 4 and that is our frequency tables and that is our answer. Thank you.